So today we're going to be installing a resonator on my side exit exhaust Mustang because this thing is a little bit too loud and the neighbors are getting mad. So I figured I would throw this in. This is actually from my Camaro's exhaust and we're going to have to do heavy modifying. You know, Nick is very, very excited to do that. But I'll show some before clips. We have some revs. Car's loud, and then yeah, even at idle or even cruising on the highway, we have some pretty bad drone. So I just wanted to eliminate it with this, and I guess we'll get a before and after. So let's do it. Yeah?
Go.
Oh crap. Okay, wait. There's gotta be
No, you gotta roll over and lift it up.
Oh, crap.
Try and push it up and lift it over to me.
Pack of the 27 that I need.
Nice.
This header dumps. I used to run this all the time.
I need your car key.
Oh. Jump! Sounds like a race car. So we'll just probably make it easier to cut and mock up this. Nah, it's not wide enough. All mocked up right now with the resonator, so we're probably going to cut it around here, and then the flange is going to go right over. We'll weld that, and then we'll cut it again here, and then use reducers to get it right. So it should be pretty difficult. That's 3 inches. Oh, you're looking at the spec?
The thickness of the metal for the temperature.
So I just welded that because I wanted to make sure that this thing wasn't falling off. If you guys remember, I tried to take the flux cord to it. Didn't work too well, so I just welded the top and then, yeah.
You're professional guys.
Yeah, that was, that's crazy.
I think Toby did a better job.
Yeah, not gonna lie. Is it cutting?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We good.
Bought a reducer. This is 3 inch to about 2.5. So now we're going to cut the original exhaust pipe right here, and then this should slide over and we can weld the entire thing. We're going to do one side at a time just so we can control it. This is the actual resonator that we cut off that you guys saw earlier. Now we're welding it to my other muffler, so that'll basically have all these passes here. When that's done, I shouldn't have an exhaust leak. It should be perfect. And then yeah, I'm just going to keep going very slowly until all of this is covered up. Both of the final results right there, so that's ready to go back on the car. Didn't take too long. I'm smirking for a reason and laughing. Anyways, yeah, so let's pop it back on the car and see if it actually made a difference. I'm hoping that it did, because that was a lot of effort. Nick's neighbors are going to love him for this one. This is header dumps at 3 a.m. now. Just clutch in and press the ignition. You got it?
I found it.
All right. Literally the last hanger to button this up. It is like almost 4 in the morning, so I'm excited to be done.
Hit it with your purse.
I'm kind of scared to see what this thing sounds like, but I guess we'll do it right now. Oh Lord.
next day.
It was way too late last night. We had to get back home, and Nick told me, you know what, we can't really be recording because the neighbors are gonna get upset. And the car is loud, but I really hope it made a difference. We'll see with the cold start right now. Honestly, it really did make a big difference. You can hear it at idle. So it's not super obnoxious anymore. You can actually sit in there and drive it. All I hear is that freaking centrifugal going crazy. Yeah, it sounds a million times better. So you can really tell the difference because usually when I hit 2,000 RPMs without these resonators, it would go like, and it was not a good noise. I really wanted to get rid of that low frequency, what would you call it, drone. So now that I got rid of it, and then when you have the windows up, I really need to fix the AC next, but when you have the windows up, you really can't even hear it that much. So it went from unbearable and not daily drivable to actually being pleasant. I don't mind it right now, so I'll just rev it out to like 3,000. You hear the blower more than you do the exhaust now, which is great. Keep going. So I hope you all saw the difference. It sounds good, especially from the front. I still need to get that big red blow-off valve, but you can hear the blow-off. It's like psh, psh, and you no longer just hear the exhaust overpowering it, so that's awesome. Maybe Nick and I will go ahead and add an X-pipe next, you know, to give it some nicer tone at high RPM. Almost forget to mention that basically when we cut it, we shortened it unintentionally on this side, so we're gonna have to cut it again and extend it a little further back because you can see the exhaust tips moved forward. I want them, you know, as close to the rear wheel as possible so it can match the other side. So it's a little funky for now, but a little adjustment will get that right, and it'll sit like this on the other side. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I guess we'll go ahead and throw an X-pipe on it for the next one.